First of all, you need to go to Open Broadcaster software. This is the link for the download of the software. After you done download and install, you will get the view of the OBS software like this. Right now, using the current of the recording. In this section, I will proceed more and how you will need to set up. First of all, you need to know the main setting of it. This is for the general. I'm choosing the language in English. The setting profile, you can rename according to your desire. It's like the username for your setting, main setting. It will show in the profile upstairs, up in your up in your preview of the OBS. In the encoding, you choose the X264 encoding system. Use CBR, enable CBR padding. In this section, you need to choose on your desired bitrate. Means that different resolution will need to manually set up the different bitrate. If you want to know the which section you desire and which number you need to input in this, you need to go to the live encoder setting. All the link will be in the description. It will show the value and the number you need to input for the 160p for the resolution. You need to put the bitrate number starting from the 4500 until 9000, the 160p without the 60 frame rate per second, 720 pixel for 60 frames per second, and non 60 frame rate per second, 480 per pixel, 360 pixel, and 240 pixel. After you done, you need to choose for the audio encoding. I'm choosing the AAC because AAC the easiest and the fastest way to the CPU to encode your audio. Because if you doing the live stream, if you choosing the MP3, if your CPU is not quite high, means that it not above 3 gigahertz, it will make the encoding become slow and your video will become like the sound will be delayed and not synchronized with the video. And for the audio format, I'm choosing the 441 kilohertz. After done with the encoding, you click on broadcast setting, choose on mode live stream, click on YouTube gaming. For the Twitch setting, I'm not quite familiar with it. And for the FMS URL, choose the primary YouTube ingest server. In this section, you need to take a good look of it. You need to register first in YouTube. After you register, you will get the play pass stream key through your YouTube dashboard. Click on the live streaming. Click on the basic info and the encoder setup. Click on the stream name key, reveal, copy the stream name key, and then click on the back of the setting, broadcast setting, and paste the stream key that you copied earlier. After that, the auto reconnect means that you need the video if having the live stream having some kind of disconnecting, it will record during 10 seconds of it, and the rest, and you can see. And for the saving during your live stream, you can also set up to save in your local or not by clicking on this section, and then the file path, the you choose on the local D or any kind of default location you want to store the file. This the replay is means like the temporary during the encoding process. In the video setting is showing that which the video adapter you use on, means that I'm using my GPU NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970. The base resolution, you can click on which monitor you want to currently record, or you want to just choose the how big your resolution. Means that my monitor support until 1920 and 20, and for the aspect ratio I'm choosing for the 16 equal to 9, and for the frame rate I'm choosing for 30 for the live stream, because if I'm choosing for 60, my CPU not supported until 60, because yeah, it will making the video streaming kind of like, you can try play around with the frame rate per second and look to your YouTube whether during that live section is it buffering or not. But the default always like 30 frame rate per second. And for the audio setting and the hotkey, the advanced setting, usually in the forum there will be different kind of suggestion, but I'm using the default like the 700 ms per second for the SIM buffering. Process normal. If your CPU is quite high end spec, you can choose about normal or high. The video, you can choose the encoding into the preset very fast, high, the key frame interval for 4 UCVR, and for the custom X264 there will be different kind of value you need to add, or kind of suggestion for the from the expert in the others forum. And these are the setting for the advanced. And for the quick sync encoder, I'm just letting it be in default. Microphone noise gate is showing your how your sound will be like in the dB, and you can edit whether that threshold or the noise having problem of it. In the scene section, I'm choosing for Dota. This scene switcher means that like you can play around with the means that in your monitor you can put different kind of scene in one monitor. Means that in this section I can get Facebook running, recording also, gaming running on the top of it, and the rest image or video.